Ever wonder why some videos blow up while yours get ignored? Even when your content is great, it's probably your thumbnail. The problem, it's your thumbnail, blood. I tell you the truth. Your thumbnail, it's a problem. Today, I will reveal how to create viral thumbnails by using free AI tools. It's free. It's probably free, not paid. It's free. The same trick top YouTubers use, but rarely talk about. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to get notified if I upload another video. And tell me where are you watching from, okay? And don't forget to add your subscriber count on my comment below. Don't forget, I will shout out on my next video. My name is Richard. I do about YouTube tools and tips, AI tips and tutorials. Let's dive in. Alright guys, I'm going to share you free tools I'm going to use to create thumbnail. Let me show you some thumbnails. Let me go on my files. Sorry. Let me show you. Let me show you thumbnail we are going to create. Let me show you, not videos and images. Let me show you my blood. Let me show you. You see this thumbnail? If you do some whole stories content, let me show you how to create this thumbnail. But if you have any content you do, you can adjust any thumbnail prompt from ChatGPT. Let me show you. Let's go in ChatGPT. Then we have ChatGPT is going to give us the thumbnail. It is going to give us a thumbnail prompt. Let me show you. I'm going to write this. I need you to create a viral thumbnail about on this topic. Then you write a topic you want to create a thumbnail. Let me Leo Hollow story. The whole story. Okay, it's an example in 16:9 ratio, in order to be landscape or to just fit on YouTube. Okay, then hit send. If you want to know how to install this AI, this ChatGPT on your WhatsApp, comment it. Drop comment. I will do on the I will do video on how to install ChatGPT in your mobile phone in WhatsApp. Okay, and you see I have hit limitation blood. I'm sorry, I create many images, but I have prompt. I copy it. Let me paste it. I have a prompt, but if you don't have I have a limitation. Let me ask for prompt. Then I we're going to use another AI. Okay, ChatGPT is not, necessary, we're going to use another, we're going to hack. Okay, yeah, okay, then you ask for prompt. Just write an easy English, not too high, and let's wait for ChatGPT respond. Let's wait. Sorry, it is not coming. But blood, if you are starting like me and you see, don't have many subscribers, but I'm trying to reach monetization journey. Okay, I'm trying. If you just like me, let's glow up together, blood. Let's glow up. Okay, I will show you everything I'm using to start this YouTube channel. Then you can apply that the same strategy on your YouTube channel. Okay, I'm still waiting, but all right. Then you see there is a Canva here. Then let me know if you want a version without text manually in Canva. No, I don't need Canva. Let's copy. Then let's paste this here first. Sorry. Let's paste this. Let's delete this one. Okay, you cannot. You can't. When you upload, or you don't copy all of this. Let's delete this. Then come here. Then you delete also this. Then you just copy this clear prompt. Then you copy it. Then you come back. Then you search Leonardo AI. This is powerful AI that create images. You see, there is a VEO3. There is a. Did you know? Did you see the videos that is trending, like a monkey talking? If you watch that video, it's trending on YouTube. This Google VEO3 do that the same videos. If you want to know how to create it, drop comment. I will do it later. Okay, I'll do another video on how to create that video animation. Okay, let's go to create a thumbnail. Then you come here. If here mini presets don't have Phoenix 1.0, you have to change it. Come up here, then you select Phoenix 1.0. Okay, and you have to make sure your settings, dimension, image dimension, it's a 16.9. 16.9. It's a landscape that will fit your thumbnail. Okay, then come back, then you come here, then you paste the link you copied from ChatGPT, then you hit create, and let's wait and see what I'm talking about. Okay, and if you want my similar prompt, I drop it in the comment. All right, guys, look at this cute thumbnail. It's eye catchy. See the text, it is well arranged. images, house and policy state, police car. Okay, and you have to download it if you see it is well arranged. Then your thumbnail is already clear. If you want to create eye-catching thumbnail, use this trick I show you. You have to ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for your topic of your niche or topic you want to create a thumbnail. Then you come here in Leonardo.ai, then place your then you place your no then you paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT and then paste it in Leonardo.ai, and you have to make sure the preset it's a phoenix. You have to make sure preset it's a phoenix, and the dimension it's a 16 to 9. Okay, it's a 16 to 9, and then hit enter. All right, my guys. Okay, if this video it is helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more YouTube hacks and tips. Okay, and don't forget to add a comment that talk about your subscriber count. Okay, and comment thumbnail boss if you are going to try this today. Okay, if you're going to try these tips, you have to write a thumbnail boss in the comment, and don't forget to add your subscriber count in my comment. Okay, don't forget to write it. And thank you for watching this video until the end. I appreciate, and comment, I will shout out in my next video.